This is my recap of the third episode of Clapboard's BFDI viewer vote. The thumbnail contains Team Blue or Cyan. The episode was released one day late on July 10. As of recording this, Clapboard now has 135 subscribers. For some reason, for the second time in a row, the episode starts off with a cake and steak instead of the intro. Here are the 12 remaining members of Team Red. Here are the 7 remaining members of Team Orange. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Brown or Tan. Here are the 7 remaining members of Team Yellow. Here are the 11 remaining members of Team Green or Lime. Here are the 13 remaining members of Team Blue or Cyan. Here are the 12 remaining members of Team Purple or Pink. Here are the 18 remaining members of Team Gray or White. And here are the 10 remaining members of Team Black. Last episode, Team White was selected to be up for elimination. We got 6 votes, which is 2 more than last time. I've noticed that every single frame of every episode has transitions, which can get repetitive. Clapboard claims that everyone is safe with 0 votes, which is unfair. But he reveals that Rocky, Needle, Sidewalkie, Aggie, and Kitchen Sink were the only ones to get votes. Everyone got 1 vote, but the eliminated contestant got 2 votes. Clapboard missed buzzword Let's. Right after showing only one recommended character called Spikeball, Clapboard instantly eliminates Sidewalkie. I don't know what would happen if Sidewalkie meets Snowball, since they're very similar. But anyways, Sidewalkie is the first non-failed debuter eliminated. Clapboard realized that he forgot to add Soft, Boom Mic, and Nightcoat has return document to the voting screen. Clapboard missed buzzword there, and announces them safe anyway. This means this is the first episode with unintentional immunity. I've introduced the leaderboard just in case Clapboard doesn't start the third contest. For some reason, the intro skips straight to the voting screen instead of the third contest, and this time, Team Blue or Cyan is up for elimination. The voting time doesn't change, meaning it's still letter in square brackets. Voting lasts 3 days. This is the first episode where Clapboard didn't announce when voting time ended, meaning all votes can be counted. Diva Blue added spaces between the letter and square brackets when trying to vote 40. Leslie has voted Clock in lowercase. Chris Tattoo was the first person to vote, and he voted Ice Cube. And Kaufmo the object thing was the last person to vote, and he voted Toothpaste. According to the voting results, Ice Cube will be eliminated in the bottom 3 with Profiling and Toothpaste.